Got you, you filthy, stinking, dirty, no good Ford designing, jack wagon, jerk face, mother scratchers. Keep it kid friendly. Wow. These things were difficult to get out. This is the thermostat housing. I had to take it, I had to unscrew it to get to these jackasses. So in order to get this off of here, see if I can do it with one hand. There it goes. Hang on. I had to kind of pull it up and set it on top of the engine. In order to get this part out of here, I had to round off that edge. Uh-oh, what's that in there? I'm going to clean that out. Don't want that in the engine. But I had to round off the edges of that stupid thing using one of these Harbor Freight files. And I basically just went down the edge like this until it rounded it off, because Ford, in their infinite wisdom, put the last bolt underneath the air intake. So in order to get that last bolt out, you have to take off all of this. And I was about to do it when I saw a really good YouTube video from a really good mechanic. I love YouTube. I love YouTube. But I put the new ones on right there, as you can see. And now it just kind of fits in there better. Now the problem is, one of the many problems is, I got to get this to slide in here just perfect like that, underneath there, and this to slide in here. Well, because that corner, I couldn't do it, but now, and then this thing wants to fall out, so you got to push that up in there. Get my finger in there, see if I can get all that one grease out of there. I don't care. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to get this in here, that in there, and this under here. Oh, I dropped my phone. Professional. Trying to show you people something, and gravity don't want to listen. Gravity sucks. So you can see there, if I can get this under here, boop, boop, maybe a little persuasion. Hang on. Okay, got my phone again. Let me get this out of here. The leftover residue. You can see I probably should have just replaced everything up here, because there's so much oil on this engine. But all I'm trying to do right now is get it running good, so it's not overheating in this hot coastal climate. So just clean it. Okay. Trying to figure out, okay, so this little piece right here keeps falling out every friggin' time I try to put in the thing. So I just got to figure out how to keep that piece in there. I don't know. Way to go, Ford. Stupid hammer. Always falling. You help me out, Maddie? No. I swear, if it's not one thing, it's the other. Every time I try to put this thing in here, after doing all that work, that little piece falls out every freaking time. You see it? That little piece right there keeps falling out. How do I keep that up there? That's what I want to know. the screws in or something. I don't know. Knowing Ford, whatever's the most difficult and stupidest, that's what it does. Maybe I can push it up with the screwdriver. I don't know if you see that. I'm pushing it up with a screwdriver. Sliding this in. Nope. This may happen off camera because I'm about to burn the whole car down. Holy piss balls, that was difficult. So this little insert kept slipping out every time I would put this in here, so I couldn't do it so you could see it. But once I finally held that up with a screwdriver and then slid this underneath the screwdriver, it did just fine. But you can see right here where I rounded off that little edge, right? The cool thing about it is you'll see here's where the what's that called? The bracket, the whatever it's called, it goes. Okay, so as long as this has got a good lip, you're going to be okay. So I did have to take off a little bit. It was about sticking out this much. I did take off a little bit from this side, but it shouldn't leak from right there. Fuck you, Ford. Fuck you, Ford.